When we first knew we needed something outside of London, we'd been to Colchester, so not too far away from London. That was the first step, but that was full, and we then needed something else in the country, something more central. So we did research of the key cities around the country, and we looked for quality of life, quality of people, the right kind of office environment, the right kind of costs, and we just added all those together and did research on those criteria around the cities. And although York isn't the best at any of those, when you add it all together, it came out top.